Hello Shamanettes and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So today we are going to talk about Trinny of London. So many of you have heard of Trinny of London as they cater to mature skin. And Trinny Woodall is the owner and spokesperson. She's over 50, which I love. And I so wanted to share it with all of you beautiful women. So they've sent me 5 products that we're going to go through. BFF De-Stress Serum Sheer Foundation, which I have on right now. Be Your Best Cleanser, Bounce Back Moisturizer, Lip to Cheek, and lastly, Blush. So I don't get paid for this. This is completely my own personal opinion, and please be rest assured that I am careful only to recommend products that I personally have tried and like. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the BFF De-Stress Tinted Serum Foundation. It's $50. So it is basically a tinted moisturizer. It's very sheer, but it has more coverage, I would say, than the average foundation, the average tinted moisturizer. So I have it on. I think it's a really nice coverage. It has kind of a dewy finish, which makes me super happy. It contains neuroflowing. It contains neuroflowing, which inhibits cortisol up to 70% on your skin, and it stimulates the production of a calming neuropeptide that calms skin and alleviates your mood. That can only be good. It has hyaluronic acid, good color options, and a nice sheer coverage. So I have been happy with this. I like this. I tend to be more of a sheer to medium coverage kind of gal, which this definitely covers. Plus it definitely gives you, as you can see, a really nice sheer look to it, a dewy finish, which I love on mature skin. So because she tends to cater to older skin and she has a lot of older models on her website, I think this is a good foundation. And I would say if you're in the market for a foundation and you don't mind dropping $50, I think this is a really good option. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the cleanser. This is called Be Your Best Cleanser. It's $42. It comes with a washcloth, which as you can see, I did not use. It also helps to remove makeup. I tend to not use washcloths. I'm not a fussy girl. I just want to dip my fingers in, wash my face, and get on with it. This is a little bit fussy for me, but it is a nice idea that you can have this washcloth and it can help to remove makeup. So, nice idea. Okay, it contains almond and jojoba oils, glycolipids, pineapple enzymes for exfoliation, borage, and linseed oil for nourishment. So I would say I use this every single day. This is actually empty. At this point, I can't even show it to you because I really like it. The whole removes makeup thing is a little bit dicey when it comes to cleansers. This does a good job, not a fabulous job, does a good job. If most of you remove your makeup before you get in the shower or before you wash your face, that's actually a better way to go because then your skin actually gets clean. I think using a cleanser to do that has mixed effects. I've used it to remove makeup. I would say it does, like I said, a medium job. But as far as a cleanser goes, if you don't have makeup to remove, I would say this is a great cleanser. I did really like this. And as you can see, I used the entire thing. Okay, so this is Bounce Back Moisturizer, $64. It contains peptides, phytospinacine, did I say that right? To firm and smooth, beta-glutamate, and glycoside, bioactives to strengthen your skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid to plump, feels very nice on your skin, good for normal to dry skin. So I thought this was good, not totally me. I like something a little bit more hydrating than this. But at the same time, I think if you have normal skin or normal to dry skin, more normal, I would say more normal, this is a really nice moisturizer. I think it's, if you use all the other treatment stuff, like, your C serum, your retinol, your hyaluronic acid, whatever treatment products you use, and you're just looking for a day-to-day moisturizer you can use morning and night, whenever you want to use it. This is actually really good for that, I would say. It does contain peptides, which, definitely help skin, has some nourishing elements, hyaluronic acid, like what I said. So I think if that's your aim, just something morning and night, you're not looking for too much treatments in it, I would say this is really, really good. If you're looking for something that's deeply hydrating, definitely not the right thing. Okay, so this is the Lip to Cheek. This is actually my favorite product in the whole thing that they sent to me. It's $34, which is a little bit steep for some of you, and I understand that. But I think this is actually great. It has a lot of pigment in it, holds up really well, bright shades, easy to apply, stays on. You can tone it down or you can punch it up. So this is called Pheobe. So this color is a tiny bit pink on me, to be honest. I don't have it on right now. For me, I found this a little bit pink. I would have gotten, again, they just sent these to me. I didn't pick it out, but I would have gotten something maybe a little bit darker. or with a little bit more warmth in it. I tend to go more with warm tones. But I would say what I'm happy with this is that it really stays on your skin. So it was a bright color, it held up, it looks really nice, it stayed on my lips. I used it on my lips with a bit of liner. It can be a tiny bit dry on your lips, you might want to hydrate, but I love the idea. I love the idea of multi-use products. So the fact that this is a cheek and a lip, I think is brilliant. And I really liked it. I've actually recommended this to quite a few people on coaching appointments. So I would say if you're looking for a good gift and something that people would be excited about, this is actually really good for 34 bucks. So really happy with this one. Okay, lastly, they have lips. So this is a sheer lip gloss. It's $28. It's very nice. It's very sheer. It applies very easily. It stays on pretty well. I mean, mostly if you're going for something really sheer like this, it's not going to stay on very well. If I lick my lips, I roll my lips, I eat everything on my lips. So hard for me to keep this type of thing on. But what I liked about it is it's easy to throw in your bag. You can pull it out, put a little bit of color. This has a little bit of a burgundy sheen to it. This is called Honor. So the color for me was great. I really like this color. It's a rosy, rosy burgundy, not burgundy, that was the wrong word. It's a plummy color. How's that? It's a plummy color. I actually look really good in this, so I love this shade. I think I like to use it with a little bit of a liner just to give it a tiny bit more punch, but that's me. I tend to like a little bit more lipstick. However, if this is just something you want to whip out of your bag, put on, have a nice sheen with a bit of color, I would say this is great. Again, it's a great gift idea if you're looking for gifts, but again, a nice sheer tone, $28. So do check out Trinny of London for her well-priced and easy-to-use products, and also her exuberant personality and pro-age mentality. We need more people like that in the field, so I really want to encourage you to go to the website and shop with her. I do want more pro-aging people who aren't ashamed to say, hey, I'm in my 50s. She doesn't obviously do that much to her skin, so she's looking like she's an older woman, which I love. So do check her out, and thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.